Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Dr. Bhavna Manoj from Divine Veda. So as in the previous videos, we have talked about various health related conditions, the diet management and the lifestyle management in Ayurveda. So thank you all for the immense love and support towards Divine Veda. And because of that, we have planned a surprise for you. If you want to know more about this, watch this video till the end, and where I am going to talk about a very special surprise for you all. So today I am going to talk about a very common condition that affects people around the globe, and that is hemorrhoids, which is commonly called as piles among us. Hemorrhoids are some important structures which are situated in the anus and which prevents the leakage as well as plays a major role in incontinence. As said, these veins are very minute so that a slight or an abnormal pressure can make them bleed. So these hemorrhoids or piles are swollen veins in the walls of the rectum as well as the anus, which is caused due to the increased pressure in the walls. 80% of the people experience these kind of constipated conditions any time or any phase of their lifetime, and as well 70% of the people are prone to have this condition of hemorrhoids. People with any age group can have this condition of hemorrhoids or piles, but it is more common as you get older. It is difficult to know how many people have this condition of hemorrhoids and piles because most of the people make or feel very shy or embarrassed to open about this condition. And that is the reason why they make it late to go and meet a doctor and start the treatment as fast as possible. And thus it is very important for all of us to have an idea about this condition, what this condition is, what are the symptoms, what can be the causes that leads to some kind of piles or hemorrhoid conditions, what can be done, etc. So let us know what is this hemorrhoids or piles in general. Hemorrhoids are vascular structures in the anal canal which helps with the stool control in their physiological state. They act as cushions for arteriovenous channels that help in the passage of stools. And at times they become inflamed and causes pain and irritation, which is very common ailment that affects both men and women due to the continuous pressure. Now let us see what can be the causes for this condition of hemorrhoids or piles. So the one important factor for this condition is the increased pressure in the veins of the anal canal, which is caused due to the act of defecation. Genetic factors. As per Ayurveda, it has been explained that due to the vitiation of the sperm and the ova, which is caused due to some kind of the sinful acts, wrong or contraindicated food or lifestyle habits, can cause or lead to this condition. Ayurveda also explains that the intake of foods which are too much deep fried, spicy in nature, viruddha ahara, which can be included as the wrong intake of food habits, as well as the ingestion or intake of foods before the digestion of the previous food, all these conditions can lead to conditions of hemorrhoids and piles. Other primary factors for the causes of hemorrhoids can be added as wrong diets, which includes low fiber rich foods, intake of too much dry foods, junk foods, etc. Some other factors that leads to this condition of piles or hemorrhoids are as follows: stress, overweight, sitting for a long time in an irregular position, forcible attempts for passing the stools, overpressure in the stomach, controlling and not passing your stools in proper time, low intake of water. This also makes a very important cause to make the stools in very hard and pellet form, and that becomes more strenuous for the anal canal to make it pass through, and that is the reason why again the vein in the areas get bulged and at times they break out and bleeds out. For a pregnant woman, due to the high pressure in her tummy, this can also lead to the conditions of hemorrhoids, and that gets settled up after your delivery. Some secondary conditions that leads to this condition are like cancer of rectum, portal hypertension, anal fissures, pregnancies, etc. locations of hemorrhoids: 3 o'clock position, 7 o'clock position, and 11 o'clock position. These are the clinical features of hemorrhoids or piles: painless bleeding, fresh or deep red blood after defecation, splash of blood in the pan. Now let us talk about the types of hemorrhoids: internal hemorrhoids, external hemorrhoids, interno-external hemorrhoids. Now let us talk about what is this internal hemorrhoid. Internal hemorrhoids starts inside your anal canal, but they hang out and come out of your anus. There are various grading positions according to how they come out. Grade 1 hemorrhoids. These first degree hemorrhoids only bleeds, but they never comes out. Now the second degree hemorrhoids. In the second degree hemorrhoid comes out of your anus when you have a bowel movement, and they just go back inside on their own after defecation. Third degree hemorrhoids. They come out and only go back inside when a physical pressure is given or due to manual reduction. Grade 4 hemorrhoids always hang down from your anal part and cannot be pushed inside. They are swollen and very painful if the blood clot is present inside. So let me make it clear, if you have bleeding through your anal canal, just don't conclude it by just googling it. Go and meet a doctor and have your examination done so that you get an idea and to know more about what kind of condition it is, which grade is present, and according to each grade, Ayurveda prescribe different methodologies and treatments. So it is very, very important to not to conclude it yourself, but go and meet a doctor as soon as possible. Most patients feel very embarrassed and shy to open about this condition, and this leads to much more dangerous conditions. This can also lead conditions of anemia and other health issues which can be fatal for you. Symptoms of hemorrhoids. The symptoms of hemorrhoids depends upon the location of the condition. Internal and external hemorrhoids. So they have a set of different symptoms. Pain and bleeding. Bright red colored bleeding of blood would be seen in the form of drips of blood in the toilet or the surface. Lump around the anus, which are called as sentinel tags. Slimy discharge of the mucus. Feeling of fullness and discomfort even after defecation. Itching around the area. Sore skin in the anus. Burning sensation after defecation. Inability to sit and stand for a longer period of time due to the pain. Pricking type of pain is present over the area. Painful bowel movements and cutting type of pain while passing the stools. All these were the general informations that you all should have an idea about. And the most important thing, you should never feel shy about to open this condition to a doctor, because it is very, very important to open up for the proper treatment of your condition. In the coming days, we would be talking about the treatment methodologies in Ayurveda and also the home remedies that one have to follow to cure this condition, as well as the lifestyle and diet modifications for this condition. I will be also explaining the yoga asanas that you have to follow in this condition. So make sure you stay with us and get notified from us. Do click the bell button to get notifications from us about all the health related queries and informations from us. So the most important and the surprising part that Divine Veda has for you. Thank you for all the love and support towards Divine Veda. We are overwhelmed with your responses in our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube channel. So we are here with a giveaway alert. Yes. One lucky and active member from our subscribers list will be selected every week and will be awarded ₹1,000. Isn't this a great news? Yes, you heard it right. One active and lucky member from our subscribers list would be given ₹1,000 every week. All you have to do is you have to follow our Facebook and Instagram pages and be an active member, to like and share our videos which have been posted, and be an active subscriber of our YouTube channel. And one active and lucky member would be selected from this and would be gifted ₹1,000 per week. Isn't this a great news? So make sure you grab this opportunity from us. Until the next video, this is Dr. Bhavna Manoj signing off. Stay home and stay safe. Namaste.